Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Google Search. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply change your display language in Google Search results for better and easier understanding of your personal language preferences. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Google Search. So with that being said, let's find out. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Search. Have you opened up your Google Search? By default, Google Search comes with your default language, whether English or whatever country language you are using. But in this tutorial, we can switch from one display language to another for a better understanding in Google Search. Let's say, for instance, we are searching for music on Google. Type in music app for laptop, hit enter. Now you have all these results right here, and the display result in the search here is in English language. However, you can change this language to a better understanding language of your choice. So let me show you how. The next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on your profile icon, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to language right here, and it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on display language here, click on English. Once you click on that, then it brings out display language of different countries. You can scroll down right here and switch to whatever display language of your choice. Let's say, for instance, I want to change from English to a Yoruba language. What we want to do is to simply make sure we look for the language. Like, for instance, by default, I'm in English language, and I want to change to another Yoruba language right here. I will simply click on either Yoruba, and I'll hit on confirm. Once you hit on confirm, instantly, everything will change. Then we can click on here to create a new tab. Now let's search for laptop again and hit enter. Then you can have your search result right here in English language. If you come to the top right here, you see that we have it written here in English language, in Yoruba language. If I click on it, you have everything right here. So you can go back here, go back to the setting language or display language right here. You can switch to another language of your choice. So let's say, for instance, I want to switch to Filipino and hit on confirm. Then it has been fully converted, just like what you see right here. Everything here convert to Filipino language. So if I come back right here, so as you can see from the search result right here, what we have here is in Yoruba language. So if I now search for another thing, so let me say I'm searching for Juice and hit enter. So when you hit enter, then you have everything right here. And if I go back, if I click on here, you can see a Filipino language right here. If I click on here, then you have everything right here in Filipino. Then by the time you click on any of the link right here, you have the results. So just like what you see from the top right here, you have the result in Filipino language, just like this, and this, and this. So it's that simple. For easy navigation, this is how best, so you can come here and see this one right here. So this is how best to change your display search language in Google for better and easy navigation and easy understanding of your Google search. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.